Okay, let's go over homework 5.2 and 5.3, homework number 2. All right, so we have these three inequalities, and we want to find, actually, I should say 5 inequalities, and we should find the feasible region. All right, so let's do that. All right, so it looks like all the given choices have the same borderline, so we just have to pick the right half planes. Then should be fine. All right, so let's look at that. All right, so 4x plus y is less than or equal to 16. All right, so let's find the x-intercept. So x-intercept would be set y equal to 0, so which means that the 4x equals 16. So x is equal 4. So which one has x equals 4? Here. Right, so x equals 4, so that's the x-intercept. So we're talking about this borderline. All right, then all you really have to do is pick some point which is not on the borderline, then to see if you want to include that or not to include that. Right, so let's try 0, 0. Right, origin 0, 0 actually satisfy this inequality, so we have to pick the side half plane that contains the origin. So looks like we can already eliminate A because it's not included here. Here we can eliminate B. All right, so then if you go down, oops, sorry, I have to. All right, if you go down a bit, let's see. So answer is not going to be A or B. All right, so look at these. All right, so oops, sorry. So here, all right, then you can see that. All right, so this one includes 0. All right, this one doesn't include that. So obviously this is the only choice. So we pick this guy. All right. So we just look at the one of them, and every single one of them, other ones are wrong, and the C is the only one that has the right, half plane. So let's check that. All right. So got it. So that's it. I hope that this was clear. Or actually, there's more parts to it. All right. So enter the coordinates of the corner points. All right. So here, corner points are A, D, C, B. So I'll type in 0, 0. So 0, 0. All right. Check answer. All right. So that's that. All right, and B is up here. So this is actually, so it's 4 and 8. So that means that that's 6. So it's 7. So we put X is 0 and it's 7. So check your answer. All right, got that. All right, C is right here. So we have to actually find the intersection between these two guys. All right, so we're gonna have to do that, and let me get a paper here. Okay, so here's a paper, and let's find the coordinates of the point C. All right, so C is the intersection of these two borderlines, so we just need to solve them. So for X and Y, so let's see, I'm gonna multiply top equation by 2, so that you will get 8x plus 2y is equal to 32, right? And the bottom one, we'll just copy exactly the same thing, right? 2y is equal to 14, right? Then I'll carry out the subtraction, right? So 8x minus x would be 7x, right? And 2y minus 2y cancel out, right? So 32 minus 14, so let's see, 12 minus 4 would be 8, and 2 minus 1 is 1, so 18. Right, so we can just divide through by 7. So we get x equals 18 over 7. Right? So once you get that, we can get the corresponding y value by simply plug this number into whichever the equation, so for x. So I'll use the top equation. So it's going to be 4 times 18 over 7 plus y is equal to 16, right? So this is going to be, let's see, 7 on the bottom. Right, 4 times 8 is 32. And 4 times 1 is 4. So 4 plus 3 is 72. Right? Plus y is equal to 16. Right? Then we just have to subtract 72 over 7. So y is going to be equal to 16 minus 72 over 7. Right? So take the common denominator, so it's going to be 7. Alright, so we have to multiply 16 by 7. So 6 times 7 is 42. Right? 7 times 1 is 1. So 4 plus 7 is 11. So 112 minus 72, which is going to be equal to 2 minus 2 is 0. 11 minus 7 is 4. Right? Over 7. Right? 40 over 7. So coordinates of the point C is 18 over 7 comma 40 over 7. Right? Let's see, let's go back there. Right? So this is going to be 18 over 7 and 40 over 7. Right? Let's see if that's the right answer. Alright, so got that right. And D is probably pretty simple. You can see that this is 4 comma 0. So x is 4 and y is 0. Right? Then let's check the answer. Right? Right? So let's say, is the solution region bounded or unbounded? So you can see that you can put a circle around it and to enclose the entire solution region, which means that this is a bounded region. Right? So check your answer, my answer. Right? So we got that. All right. I think that's it. All right. So that's it. I hope that this was clear.